In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable CSM support in the BIOS. So if you need to turn CSM on or off, this works for ASUS, Gigabyte, ASRock, and MSI motherboards. Now, the first thing you want to do, no matter which motherboard you're using, is restart your computer. And as soon as it starts booting up, you want to press the Delete key or F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS. Now, on most systems, it's the Delete key, but F2 also works on some systems. Now, once you're inside the BIOS, the steps depend on your motherboard brand. Now, if you're using an ASUS motherboard, what you want to do is go to the Boot tab using the arrow keys or your mouse, and once you're in the Boot section, just scroll down until you see CSM, or Compatibility Support Module. Now, when you see Launch CSM, just click on it and set it to Enabled if you want to turn CSM on, or Disabled if you want to turn it off. And once you're done, scroll down and select Save and Exit, and your PC will restart. Now, if you're using a Gigabyte motherboard, enter the BIOS the same way and then go to the BIOS tab or Security tab. And here you'll see an option called CSM Support. So just double-click on it and set it to Enabled or Disabled depending on what you need. Now, after that, go to the Save and Exit option, confirm the changes, and your computer will reboot. Now, if you're using an ASRock motherboard, restart your PC, press F2 to enter the BIOS, and once you're inside, go to the Boot tab at the top. Now, scroll down until you see CSM and just set it to Enabled or Disabled. And once that's done, go to the Exit tab, select Save and Exit, and let the system restart. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable CSM support on ASUS, Gigabyte, ASRock. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.